What does Pirkei Avot mean when it says that anyone who is beloved by people is beloved by Hashem? We have an entire shiur about that particular Mishnah in the Pirkei Avot series. Go watch it. In general, if a person is following the laws of the Torah that are relevant to how to treat people, then that's going to create unity and peace between him and or her and other people, other Jewish people, which when they have that unity, they have that kingship between them, that's pleasing to Hashem. But that's again, there's permissible unity and there's forbidden unity. You can't just be united with everybody, because if that person is an enemy of God, you're not allowed to be united with them. If that person is against the Torah, you can't be united with such a person. There's different types of unity. It's just like a person says, well, aren't you supposed to love everybody? I don't think your spouse would agree. If you said to your wife, listen, can't I just love everybody? She'll tell you, you can if you're single, not if you're married to me. Why? You have to, you can't love every woman. Just like if your wife said, I want to love everyone. Your husband says, well, then you can't stay married to me. Why? If you want to love everyone, you're going to be an adulteress. I don't want to marry an adulteress. So the point is that in a liberal world, everybody wants to be together and everybody wants to love everyone, but that's a fake. It's a fake imagination. No one really wants it. It's just people like to be destructive of whatever good is and whatever the norm is. And unfortunately, this is coming from miseducation, ignorance, and arrogance. So what the Mishnah is saying to us is that if we have unity based on the definition of the Torah between people, then Hashem will be pleased with us, and therefore that's good for people and that's good for your relationship with Hashem.